Tomorrow morning if you wake up and the sun does not appear, I will be here. If in the dark we lose sight of love, hold my hand and have no fear. 'Cause I will be here. I will be here when you feel like being quiet, when you need to speak your mind. I will listen, and I will be here when the laughter turns to crying, through the win and losing and trying, we'll be together. 'Cause I will be here. Tomorrow morning if you wake up and the future isn't clear, I will be here. As sure as seasons were made for change, lifetimes were made for these years. So I will be here. I will be here so you can cry on my shoulder when the mirror tells us we're older. I will hold you, and I will be here to watch you grow in beauty and tell you all the things you need to. I will be here. I will be true to the promise I have made to you and to the one who gave you to me. Just as sure as seasons were made for change, our lifetimes were made for these years. So I will be there, we'll be together. 'Cause I will be here.
I can't remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can't do. Through the years, you've never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've loved the life we've made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I listened to before. I swear you've taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so, but through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. Through the years when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, I never had a doubt we'd always work things out. I've learned what life's about by loving you through the I'll stay with you through the
Kung tayo ay matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasaan may ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo pa kaya ako'y hagkan at yakapin. Sa pagtanda natin, nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako pa kaya'y ibigin mo? Kung maputi na ang buhok ko, pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayong mangangarap ng nakaraan sa atin. Ang nakalipas ay ibabalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y lagi sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko, na 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 ang nakalipas ay ibabalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y lagi sa'yo. Kahit maputi, kahit maputi, kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. Stars fill the evening sky as I sit and wonder what I'm missing. I feel so all alone in a crowded room. There's something that my heart's been searching. Just when the shadows come, there's nowhere to go, and my one last hope, God only knows. In Him I'll find what I've been searching. Now I'm on my way back to a place where I can hear His voice and see His face. And as I'm on my way, I see Him running. Before I take my second step, He sees me coming back, and He comes running to me, and He comes running, takes me in His arms, closer to His heart, saying He'll be loving me, 'cause He's never stopped loving me. Why did I ever doubt you? Thought I could live without you with me. All my fears disappear right before my eyes, just to know your love is with me. 'Cause when the shadows fall, have nowhere to go, and my one last hope, God only knows. In Him I'll find what I've been searching. Right now I'm on my way back to a place where I can hear His voice and see His face. And as I'm on my way, I see Him running. Before I take my second step, He sees me coming back, and He comes running to me, and He comes running, and He takes me in His arms, closer to His heart, saying He'll be loving me, 'cause He's never stopped loving me. So I stop and say, forget Forgive me, Lord, for walking out that door. But before I could say anything more, he says, hush, I'm just glad to know that you've come home. Back in my arms, where you're safe from harm. I'm just glad to know you're home, where I made you to be, right here with me. Lord, I'm glad to be home. Shadows come, back in your arms, where I'm safe from harm. Here I'll find what I've been glad to know. Right now I'm on my way back to was made to his voice and see his face. As I'm on my way, he sees me